Hey guys, today I have the AutoCast OttoScreen AI portable CarPlay screen. If you have an older car without a built-in display, this device is an easy and affordable way to upgrade your car. It has an 11.4 HD touchscreen display, AI assistant, real-time GPS navigation, a split screen mode. It comes with built-in Android 15 and Play Store. It has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And it also comes with a rear view camera. So if your car doesn't have a rear view camera, that's another great upgrade for your car. I actually do have an older car without a built-in display, and I can't wait to upgrade it. So let's check it out. Setting up the CarPlay screen is very easy and only takes about a minute. You just have to attach it to your car's dashboard and plug it in. That's it. After starting your car, the device turns on immediately. It is very easy to connect to your phone and is compatible with Android smartphones and iPhones. If you want to use the rear view camera, you just have to plug it in and it works right away. But my car already has a rear view camera, so I'm not using it. Okay, so the AutoScreen AI is a very good product. It's very easy to set up and it works pretty good. I had no issues at all connecting it to my phone and to my car. It turns on immediately when you start your car, which is pretty good. I mostly use it with Google Maps and playing music from my phone, and also starting phone calls with the AI assistant, which is pretty convenient because you don't have to touch your phone or the display. The rear view camera is pretty good, and overall it's a very nice upgrade for my car. So if you're looking for something like that, to upgrade your car, check out the AutoScreen AI. It's a pretty good product. You won't be disappointed. Check out the link in the description and get yourself one.